Hello, I'm Peter Burrows from Towing and Trailers. In this video I'm going to go through how to load a trailer to make sure that you are towing safely and within the capacities of both your tow vehicle and your trailer. All trailers should have, although they don't, a weight plate. This will give you the gross weight of the trailer, the maximum weight that it can have on the front of the trailer, i.e. the nose weight, and the maximum weight per axle. The gross weight includes the weight of the trailer. This is a 2.7 ton trailer. It weighs just over 600 kilos, so roughly speaking it can carry 2 tons. Although it can carry 2 tons, you can't put it behind every vehicle. Smaller vehicles are, due to the weight of them, are only allowed to tow smaller weights. The larger the vehicle gets, the higher the towing capacity gets. This can be found for each individual vehicle. If you look at the V5, as you open it up, on the left hand side, 2/3 of the way down, there is a maximum weight for towing unbraked and a maximum weight for towing braked. The biggest 4x4s can normally do the maximum legal capacities, which is 750 kg unbraked and 3,500 kg braked. As an average family car can normally do 600 to 650 kg unbraked and 1,400 to 2,000 kg unbraked. So this trailer can be coupled up to a normal family car, but the weight of the trailer and its goods can't exceed the weight that the car's allowed to tow, so you will not be able to load it up with 2 tons. When loading a trailer, this is a mass on a trailer. If you look, the centre line of the mass is just in front of the centre line of the wheels. The centre line of the wheels is about here, and this is just in front. That is an ideal way to do it. If it's a single axle trailer, the centre line wants to be just in front of the centre line of the single axle. If it's a tri-axle trailer, the centre line of the load wants to be just in front of the centre line of the middle axle. This will evenly distribute the weight between the two, and it will apply a slight bit of nose weight to the vehicle. This will give you a lot more comfortable and safer tow. If the weight is on the front of the trailer, then you normally exceed the weight that goes onto the coupling, and when you exceed the weight on the coupling, that will push the back of the car down. It will overload the back axle of the car, but it will also take the load off the front of the car. That means that the front wheels don't have grip. So if you come to brake and turn at the same time, the front wheels don't have grip, and it can push you in a straight line and make you go wide on a corner and cause you to have accidents. The worst one is if the weight is sat at the back of the trailer. If the weight's sat at the back of the trailer, the weight's on the back axle, and you have what you call negative nose weight on the front. This means that it isn't holding itself down onto the tow bar too well, and this can pick the back end of a car up. So if you brake going into a curve with that, the trailer will still try and go in a straight line. Your front wheels will turn. There will be very little traction on the back of the car because there's not a lot of weight on the back of the car, and it will cause the trailer to go straight on and push the back of the car sideways, jackknifing you, and can cause very serious injuries.